Hello everyone, welcome to English Communication. Today we will study the new lesson, My Favorite Animal. Now let's get started.
Hey guys, our teacher said today we would talk about our favorite animals.
Oh, that sounds fun. I already know mine.
Me too. I love animals. They are so cute. Okay, let's share. Ben, you go first.
My favorite animal is the dog. Dogs are friendly and loyal. I have a small dog at home. His name is Lucky.
Ah, that's so sweet. What does Lucky like to do?
He likes running in the park and playing with a ball. Every afternoon, I take him for a walk.
Look. There are some birds in the tree. Wow, they are singing so loudly. That reminds me, my favorite animal is the parrot.
Oh, really? Why the parrot?
Because parrots are colorful and smart. Some parrots can even talk. That's amazing. If you had a parrot, what would you teach it to say? Maybe good morning, Lucy. Every day.
That would be funny. Hey Anna, I see many pictures of cats here.
Yes, because my favorite animal is the cat. Cats are quiet, soft, and very cute. Do you have a cat at home? Yes, her name is Mimi. She likes sleeping on my bed and playing with yarn.
So sweet.
Dogs, parrots, and cats. All are wonderful. Yeah. Animals make our lives happier.
Let's take care of animals and be kind to them.
Yes.
Okay, and now let's review our vocabulary. Và bây giờ các em sẽ cùng ôn lại từ vựng của bài học ngày hôm nay nhé. Animal, animal, động vật. Favorite, favorite, yêu thích. Friendly, friendly, thân thiện. Loyal, loyal, trung thành. Parrot, parrot, con vẹt. Colorful, colorful, nhiều màu sắc. Smart, smart, thông minh. Wonderful, wonderful, tuyệt vời. Young, young, cuộn lên. Take care of, take care of, chăm sóc. Be kind to, be kind to, tử tế với. That's the end of our lesson today. Thanks for your watching. If you like the video, find it interesting and useful, please like and subscribe to my channel to motivate me and to make it easy for you to continue watching other videos on my channel. Goodbye and see you later. Và bài học ngày hôm nay của chúng ta đến đây là kết thúc. Cảm ơn các em đã xem. Nếu các em thấy thích, hay và bổ ích thì hãy nhấn like, đăng ký kênh để tạo động lực cho cô và cũng để dễ dàng tiếp tục xem các video khác trên kênh của cô nhé. Tạm biệt các em và hẹn gặp lại nhé.